Your net worth tells you how much you're worth, monetarily that is. Today we're going to discuss how you can determine your net worth in less than 2 minutes. This is possible because the net worth formula is incredibly straightforward. Putting it simply, it's just the total value of all of your assets minus the total value of all of your liabilities. If you're wondering which assets you should include in your net worth calculation, some examples of major assets are the value of your home, the value of your car, your savings account, your checking account, your investment portfolio, and anything in your retirement accounts like your 401k or your Roth IRA. For the liability section, this includes all of your debt and the money you owe. This can include the remaining amount that you owe on your mortgage, auto loans, student debt, consumer debt, or any outstanding medical bills. Let's do a quick calculation to see this in action. Let's say you live in a home that's worth $200,000, drive a car worth $5,000, have $23,000 in your retirement account, and $2,000 in your savings account. That's a total of $230,000 in assets. Say you still owe $100,000 on your mortgage and you owe $2,000 on your car. You have $102,000 in liabilities. So $230,000 minus $102,000 equals $128,000. So your net worth is $128,000. That being said, it is possible that your net worth could be negative, especially if you're just starting out on your personal finance journey or you're burdened with a lot of debt like student loans. It could definitely take a while to hit net positive on your net worth. So definitely don't be discouraged if you do the math and you're in that negative amount. The important thing is that you know where you're starting from and you start the tracking process so you know where your money is going each month and how much is coming in. One of my favorite tools to track your overall net worth is Personal Capital. That's what I use, and it makes it so simple because you can just link all of your accounts and it's going to do this calculation for you. It's also incredibly rewarding seeing that net worth number going up year by year. So if you're unhappy with where you are now, just think of this as motivation. So that's all I have for you today. I know that this was a quick one. Thank you all so much for watching, and please consider subscribing to the channel if you're looking to improve that net worth number. Thanks, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.